Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Fong. I'm a rhinologist, which is an otolaryngologist, that's an ear, nose, and throat doctor, who specializes in disorders of the nose and sinuses. I practice here in the Bay Area at the California Sinus Centers, which is a division of Bass Medical Group. And I've dedicated my career to helping patients with complex sinus, nasal, and skull-based conditions. I received my medical degree from Baylor College of Medicine and completed my residency in otolaryngology, head and neck surgery at Northwestern University. I also spent additional time in research exploring how steroids impact the sense of smell. I treat adults and teens with a wide range of sinus and nasal issues, including recurrent sinus infections, chronic sinus issues, nasal polyps, and nasal obstruction. These conditions often require a combination of medical and surgical treatments, which we offer. I'm passionate about teaching. I believe in educating my patients so that they can be active participants in their own health, and this leads to better outcomes. What drives me is seeing the transformation when someone finally finds relief, when they can breathe better, sleep better, and enjoy their life without chronic discomfort. Every patient's story matters. My goal is to provide care that's respectful, personal, and effective. Thank you for watching. And if you're struggling with sinus or nasal symptoms, we're here to help.